I think we all know how hard it is to deep clean carpet. Mud and footprints, spills and vomit are very prevalent in the common household. Despite this, it's actually the most neglected area for cleaning. Today, we'll show you how to use a Kärcher SE5100 spray extractor to give your carpet a deep clean and remove any unwanted stains. The SE5100 works by spraying cleaning chemical deep into the carpet with pressure and then vacuuming the dissolved dirt away at the same time. When thinking about carpet cleaning, it's important to note that there is a major difference between vacuuming dust off the carpet and actually cleaning the deep fibres of your carpet, which is where most of the dirt lives. You can see that over the years, the rug has lost a bit of its initial colour, but after using the SE5100, you can see a noticeable difference as the dirt that was sitting deep in the fibres has been cleaned. That's the area traditional vacuuming just can't get to. Now, that was just standard dirt buildup over time. What about those really nasty spills such as Coke? Well, let's give it a go. As you can see, it only takes a few passes and the spill is gone. So there's no real need to throw out carpet, rugs or even couches due to old stains or decolouring because there is a deep cleaning solution. It's also important to note there is a difference between spray extracting and steam cleaning your carpet. While steaming will remove all odours and kill bacteria living in the carpet, the spray extractor has the vacuuming functionality, which provides a deep clean and removes all dirt, giving a different cleaning result.